All right, so a quick update on the cryptocurrency market today was a bloodbath, right? There was a lot of coins that were down significantly today. Bitcoin was down 6-7%. Guys, during these times, the big players, the professionals in this game are accumulating. It's always just how the game works, right? When the market is down heavy, they're building longs, they're accumulating. When the market is really high, like everything's taken off, they start to build their shorts. They start to capitulate on their holdings, okay? The big players, the whales, the ones that really control this market, okay? The majority of traders aren't these whales. They're the 90%. They're the ones that always lose within this game, right? And I talk a lot about trading, but whenever you're looking to capitulate on your, investments and buy more and all that, you're essentially trading. So you need to introduce some trading psychology, some trading tactics to your strategy. Even if you're investing for the long term, you still need to implement these same, ideas, these same concepts, right? If you want to be making gains, whether the market's going up or down. So right now, yes, obviously the market is going down. The big players are buying up the coins nice and cheap. Can the market go down some more? Yes, they dollar cost average in on the way down. Okay. What you don't want to be is in the position to make a really good investment and be doing the opposite, right? Like you have your top level projects that you're invested into in crypto, then now that the market is down, you're looking to accumulate as much of those as you can, right? If the market continues to go down, you continue to dollar cost average, and that's why cash flow, that's why income is so important. Heavy cash flow, heavy income. That way you're not worried when the market's going down because you're just accumulating more and more. Maybe these are the times where you take a step back on going out, on spending money on unnecessary things, and you start to invest as much as you can into the market, right? When the market's really high, when all the coins are taken off and the market's, really green, right? When the economy is in better conditions, that's where you can start to shave off some profits here and there. That's where you can splurge a little bit, right? That's where you can make a bit more investments into other fields. But now that the market is down is where you want to focus on accumulation. Now is where you really want to build the portfolio. If you've been in crypto like a year or two ago, right, you should remember the amount of every cryptocurrency you have. Now is the opportunity where you can acquire more of your, bags. You can increase more and more of the actual holdings within your portfolio of every specific cryptocurrency, right? So those are just my thoughts for what's going on right now. Like I said, guys, it's accumulation time. The big dogs, the big players, they're the ones that are accumulating during this time, right? That's just fact. I'm just stating fact there, okay? What side of the pendulum do you want to be on? You need to start acting and believing that you are part of this, of the big players in the space, right? The real market movers, what really moves the market. Now is accumulation. When the market takes its breath up, capitulate a bit, right? Because we don't know how far high we're going to go. We don't know what the market's going to do. Always want to be in that state of you don't know what the market's going to do. You just stick to your strategy, all right? If you guys appreciate this content, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel with your post notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.